Once you gain access into your Connect account, you'll see this course right here, and you'll be able to access through this link. And then you will be in this course. This is fully built out, but it's just really kind of a way for you to review the different assignment types within the course. You can view the ebook here. Excuse me, right here. This is the full ebook, and it'll open a new page. You can navigate with the table of contents and go into any of the chapters you'd like. And then if you're looking for instructor resources, if you click this library tab and then instructor resources, everything for the instructor resources lives right here. So please let me know if you have any questions, and I'd be happy to help.